What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into some incredibly exciting rumors. These could completely redefine one of Apple's most beloved devices, the iPad mini. For years, it's been the go-to for portability, but it's been feeling a little left behind in the specs department. Well, that might be about to change in a huge way. We are hearing strong whispers about a next-gen iPad mini. We are talking a potential in-series chip and, get this, a 120Hz ProMotion OLED display. If these rumors pan out, the smallest iPad could become one of the most powerful and visually stunning tablets. Is it time to say goodbye to the old LCD and hello to a silky smooth old future? Let's break down the leaks first up. Let's tackle the biggest and most exciting rumor, the display. The current iPad mini 6 has a decent liquid retina LCD screen. It's fine, but it's stuck at a 60Hz refresh rate, and it suffers from that infamous jelly scrolling effect, where one side of the screen appears to refresh slightly slower than the other in portrait mode. For many, it's an annoying quirk, and now multiple sources are pointing towards Apple making a massive leap. Samsung Display has started developing screen samples for an 8.3-inch iPad mini, and these aren't just any screens. We're talking about OLED panels. This would be a game changer. OLED brings perfect blacks, incredible contrast, and vibrant colors that just pop off the screen. It would make everything from watching movies to editing photos a far more immersive experience. But it gets even better. The leaks suggest this won't just be a standard OLED panel. Apple is reportedly aiming to bring its 120Hz ProMotion technology to the iPad mini. Yes, the same buttery-smooth, adaptive refresh rate technology found on the high-end iPad Pro and iPhone Pro models. Imagine scrolling through websites, sketching with the Apple Pencil, or playing games on the mini with that level of fluidity. It would completely eliminate jelly scroll and make the entire user experience feel incredibly responsive and premium. This single upgrade would instantly elevate the iPad mini from a convenient little tablet to a truly pro-level device. In a compact form factor, the combination of OLED and ProMotion is the holy grail for display tech. Bringing it to the mini would be a statement. It would signal that Apple is no longer treating the mini as a secondary device, but as a serious contender in its lineup. Of course, a stunning display needs a powerful engine to drive it. And that brings us to the second major part of this leak, the processor. The current iPad mini 6 runs on the A15 Bionic chip, the same one found in the iPhone 13 series. It's a very capable chip, no doubt. But the new rumors suggest Apple is planning to skip the A series entirely for the next mini and jump straight to Apple Silicon. Specifically, we are hearing talk of an M series chip. Now, which M chip is still up for debate. Some sources point to the M2, which would be a huge leap in performance. But recent supply chain chatter, particularly from a well-known leaker, has mentioned the M5 chip. Wait, M5? That chip doesn't even exist yet. It's expected to debut in future MacBooks, so this is where we have to be cautious. It's possible that M5 is a code name, or maybe the timeline for this new iPad mini is further out than we think, placing it in a future where the M5 is the current generation chip. A more conservative and perhaps realistic guess would be the M3 or N4 chip, depending on when this device actually launches. An M for iPad mini would be insane, putting it on par with the brand new iPad Pro. Even an M2 or M3 would provide a massive boost in both CPU and GPU performance over the A15. This would unlock new capabilities, from running more demanding creative apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro to handling high-end gaming with ease. A compact, 8-inch tablet with the power of a MacBook Air. Sign me up. This would make the iPad mini the ultimate portable powerhouse for creators, students, and professionals on the go. So, when can we expect to see this mythical device? This is where things get a bit fuzzy. Early reports suggested a launch in late 2024, but the latest information points to a longer timeline, especially regarding the development of the OLED panels. Samsung Display is reportedly just starting the development process. Mass production of these advanced displays likely won't begin until the second half of 2025. This would push the actual release of the new iPad mini to late 2025 or even early 2026. This timeline actually makes the M5 chip rumor a little more plausible. If the device is 2 years away, it could very well launch with a chip that seems futuristic to us right now. It's a long wait, for sure, but if it means getting a device this revolutionary, it might just be worth it. Apple is clearly taking its time to get this right, likely to ensure the new display technology is perfect and that they can produce it at the scale and quality they demand. Now, let's talk about the big question. What does this all mean for the price? An old ProMotion display and an M-series chip are premium components. There's almost no way Apple can pack all of this new tech into the iPad mini and keep it at its current starting price of $499. We should brace for a significant price hike. Looking at Apple's current lineup, the iPad Pro with similar display and chip technology starts at $999, while the mini will be smaller. It's reasonable to expect a price somewhere in the $699 to $799 range for the base model. This would definitely push the iPad mini out of the casual budget category and into a more premium, prosumer space. It would be a strategic shift, positioning the mini not just as a small iPad, but as a small iPad Pro. It creates a new category for users who want the absolute best performance and display technology but in the most portable package possible. They would essentially be paying for flagship features, just in a smaller size. So, let's put it all together. What we're looking at is a potential future where the iPad mini is no longer the cute, entry-level sidekick. It's poised to become a compact giant. An 8.3-inch device with a stunning 120Hz OLED screen, the raw power of an M-series chip, and all the creative and professional potential that comes with it. It would be the ultimate notebook replacement for some, a perfect digital sketchbook for artists, and a ridiculously powerful portable gaming console for others. Yes, it will likely come with a higher price tag and a bit of a wait, but the leap in technology seems monumental. The jump from a 60Hz LCD to a 120Hz OLED alone is a massive quality of life improvement. Add in a desktop-class processor, and you have a device that redefines what a small tablet can be. What do you guys think? Are you excited for an iPad mini Pro? Is the potential price hike a deal breaker for you? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest Apple leaks, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future updates. We'll be tracking this story closely as more information comes out. Until next time, stay curious.